What's going on, everybody? Giovanni's coming at you with a brand new cryptocurrency video, and in this video the headline is BCH gets added to Coinbase. And this is pretty good. This is pretty good because it'll give people that option of having Bitcoin in a form that you could pretty much exchange it for free. So I mean, this is not necessary because there's Litecoin and there's Dash, and Coinbase has said that they're going to add other coins. So I don't see this as a big deal. I hope it doesn't really damage Bitcoin itself, because we all know how Bitcoin has been having these scaling issues. The price action, I think, is just to get the weak hands out. As far as why the price is 8,499, I'm not sure. On Coinbase, CoinMarketCap, it is definitely not that. The prices seem to be off. It is also on GDAX, but I don't think they're trading it just yet. But the price on CoinMarketCap right now is 3,424, and if we go to the charts on TradingView, it seems to be trading at around 3,402. So it looks like there's a typo on Coinbase, but this is what it says right here. If we go to the support page, it says here that due to high transactions, they're experiencing delays with wire transfers and wire deposits, and withdrawals may be delayed up to 3 business days. Rejected and reserved wires may be delayed up to 10 business days. Our team is working through these wires as quickly as possible, and we are adding additional resources to get through the backlog. We apologize for any inconvenience. And we know this about Coinbase. Coinbase is now adding new personnel to the staff. They're having growing pains, as is everything in the cryptocurrency market, because basically the cryptocurrency market hasn't been expecting such growth so fast. Just in the beginning of this year, it was, the whole market cap was under 17 billion, and now it's sitting at I believe right under 600 billion, with a BTC dominance of 47.5. So yeah, it's a lot of growth within the year. The year is not even over yet. It'll be over pretty soon, but a lot of growth between 1 year. So this is expected from a company. I mean, you can't expect too much from them, but yeah. All right, so if we go to the Bitcoin Cash FAQ, they answer questions such as, what is Bitcoin Cash? Bitcoin Cash is a direct result of a Bitcoin fork that occurred on August 1st, 2017. It is an alternative version of Bitcoin that makes use of new features and rules and has a different development roadmap. For more information about Bitcoin Cash, please visit bitcoincash.org. And they answer other questions. How do I get Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase? How much Bitcoin Cash will I receive? They did reward anybody who was holding Bitcoin on Coinbase on August 1st with Bitcoin Cash, the equivalent of whatever it was that you were holding. How can I trust that Coinbase knows the exact amount of Bitcoin Cash that was in my account at the time of the fork? Because they were holding your Bitcoin. If Bitcoin was in my Coinbase vault at the time of the fork, will I still receive BCH? Yes. What if I sent BCH to my Coinbase BTC wallet after the fork, but Coinbase added support for Bitcoin Cash? Any BCH sent to your Coinbase account addresses has been credited to your BCH wallet. So with Coinbase, everything is good with your BCH. You should be getting the BCH. And this will let people decide what they want from the market. Do they want a means of exchange or storage of value? And we will have to see. I am hoping that Bitcoin doesn't take a major hit. The price fluctuations and action have been crazy right now, but it seems to be going back up a little bit. I do want to know what's going on with this typo, though, because this has to be a typo. All right, so moving along from that, Bitcoin, I got 0.051 BTC today. Not sure how much that is, but it's definitely down from 1,000. I know that much. And then we should be having a block difficulty increase in 11 days. We come here to check the BCH. It's definitely doing good. And then with BitConnect, I'm going to do a $5,000 loan probably tomorrow if the price is right and the interest is good. As far as alts, I'm going to start buying some of the cannabis coins, just because I think those are going to go up in the future. So I'm putting aside like $2,000 or $3,000 just to hold those down as long-term plays, because I think they will play a part in the future of cannabis. And I believe, These are important because this market there is no logic to the market. People will get coins that they believe in. I mean, any coin that has a story, if people believe in that story, they will jump on the coin. So this is something that you got to pay attention to. These coins play into psychology as well. So yeah, these are the coins I'm going to start buying: pot coin, hemp coin, cannabis coin, canna coin, all those little coins, little market caps. It's good to start paying attention to them now, especially if they got low circulating supplies. Even though nobody really pays attention to these, I think they'll do good in the future. All right, so the last thing I wanted to mention in this video is that Hashflare has risen its prices. It is no longer $15,000 for 100 terahash. The prices have gone up, and this will probably change my game plan. I was gonna try to get around the petahash, but I do have to check the prices and how much that would cost. In the future, I do plan to upgrade though, because I'm trying to speed up the process of getting more Bitcoin per day. So that's what it's all about. And to end it off, let's check some of the headlines in the market for today. Blockchain startups are craving regulation, says Gibbet. I don't even know. All right, well-known CIO Bill Miller invests 50% of hedge fund in Bitcoin. Yes, this is a big story. Bitcoin.com CTO denounces Bitcoin. I've switched to Bitcoin Cash. And a lot of people are debating about it because Bitcoin is supposed to be a currency. So it does make sense to want to use Bitcoin to be able to transact, and if the fees are through the roof, I understand that it's not feasible. 240 billion Japanese company to pay employees in Bitcoin. That's awesome. Getting paid in Bitcoin. We got to see more of that. Avoiding paralysis. Comparative analysis of community governance in digital currencies. That doesn't say much. Let's keep it moving. Digital currency Dash surges past $1,000 barrier to a new high of $1,250. That's amazing to see Dash do that. I wasn't expecting that from Dash, but Dash is low circulating supply. The power of low circulating supply is strong. Ordinary leather wallets being supplanted by digital wallets this Christmas. Yeah, hardware wallets is the way to go. If you could set your fees, which right now I don't even know what to say about the fees. BCH surges above $2,000 following BitPay integration announcement, and that was just today or yesterday, I believe. And yeah, BCH is getting a lot of support just because of what it could do. So we're gonna have to see what happens with the price. I personally might need to buy a little BCH just because if I want to do transactions on the regular day-to-day, I can't be paying those high fees with the Bitcoin. So harnessing energy from Bitcoin mining to sequence genetic data. Sounds like science tech stuff. David Orban, civilization and technology are positive sum game. Not going to read too much into that. Blockchain.Info CEO, central banks will hold crypto in reserve in 2018. Yes, we're getting adoption. And then this is just a price analysis and another story there. But yeah, guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you guys are having a good day out there. Check Coinbase and start preparing your moves, because should be a bumpy ride. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, before I go, actually, yeah, talking about bumpy rides, yeah, it's definitely gonna be a bumpy ride. I took a $40,000 loss today in my portfolio, so yeah, it is gonna be a bumpy ride. Peace.